Welcome to the Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of 3D sketching. First, select the new part. Then, under sketch, select 3D sketch. Now, select the line command and draw a line along XY plane. Which is referred in the manual. Then draw the remaining part of the sketch as given in the manual in the required planes. Select the starting and the end point of the sketch and give the relation merge. Now specify the dimensions of the sketch using Smart Dimension command. After specifying few dimensions, the relation can be given to each lines in order to fully define the sketch. Further, the relations equal can be created among the dimensioned and dimensionless lines. After dimensioning, select the fillet command and draw a fillet at each corner of the sketch. Specify the dimension of the fillet as given in the manual. After sketching fillet, exit the sketch and a new plane has to be created. In Features, under Reference Geometry, select Plane and give the first reference plane as right plane. Point out the second reference at the point of starting of the new sketch. OK. Now select these planes and give sketch. Now draw a circle at the start of the sketch. Specify its dimension. Now exit the sketch. In Features, select Swept Bars. Select the profile of the circle and path as the previously drawn sketch. Our sketch is completed.